Okay, standing outside of 112 Lady Bird. This is apartment C upstairs. Got the shot of the yard area there from the porch. Coming in the front door. Opens up to the living room. About 430 square feet. Freshly painted. It's got new faux hardwood floors. Okay, this is like the breakfast area. Some people use this as a bedroom. Some people use it as a living room. New fridge. Lots of cabinet space. Okay, in here we've got a closet. Pretty good sized closet. Coming around. On the hallway we've got two more closets. And the bathroom. Got a new sink. You know, it's shower tub combo. Brand new toilet. So it's looking pretty good. About 430 square feet. One bedroom efficiency. All bills paid. Ready for move-in.